Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I went from 0 subscribers to 145,000 subscribers in 6 or 7 months just from YouTube Shorts. It was so hard for me to make this video and put all these things together. I spent 2 hours writing notes to put it simple in short points for you guys to understand and get. So I put it in 5 different points. So I have different key points here. Sorry for the mess, but look at this. Okay, so first I want to share with you guys how much I struggle. I got overwhelmed, I got anxiety, frustration, but then I found this strategy that I always put together in each of my shorts, and they get views. So I want to just share with you guys because I don't know who's trying to grow from YouTube Shorts, and I just want to share because that's what's my experience. That's my experience still because that's how I make my video every time. And get ready. So first, when I started my channel, I started making family content and posting it, long video and shorts. I wasn't getting views from long videos or shorts. Why? Because I feel like I wasn't giving people any type of emotions in my video. I was just giving them like a day in my life, things that we were doing as parents, or me sharing shorts with my kids, right? So they were not taking views. They were taking 100, 300 views, but that's not what I wanted. I wanted to get thousands of views in one video or short. Well, then I put on, this is an imaginary thing that I think I was delusional back then. I still delusional, but I always put on my creator glasses, and when I start watching videos, long videos or short videos in YouTube, I put on my creator glasses, which means you have to stop looking or just consuming videos just to consume them. Look what you can do better in each video you watch. If there's a trending video and you see a lot of people creating the same type of video, when you watch those videos, check what you can do better. Check what you can do better than them. What are they missing? What do you have special that you can put into this video that will make people watch it? So I saw like 5 or 4. I remember till this day, I saw around 5 or 4 people using the same sound in their shorts. And I was like, interesting. I want to do it too. So I get my phone. I remember I used to have an iPhone 12. I got my phone, right? I put it to record. I made this short using the same sound that I watched 5 times, because that's another tip for you guys. If you guys are on shorts and you see that you watch a video, well, not a video, if you watch 5 or 6 shorts already and it has the same sound, that means that sound or that audio is trending. So use it to your favor. So I was like, I'm gonna make a video now. So I put my phone, I made the video. That video changed everything. That was the video that changed the game. When I saw that I started taking views in that video using a trending sound, so I started collecting more of those trending sounds, and I started gaining subscribers and views, right? That's how that changed the game with my YouTube channel. Number 2, why I focus on shorts. At that time, I focused on shorts because when I discovered, it was like 2 weeks, and then when I discovered that I could just use sounds and make people, not make people content, but just make the same type of content they're making, but adding a little bit of me. That's when I decided that I want to keep doing that. So I focus on that. I focus on creating shorts with trending sound or trending music, but putting a little bit of me. That's why I focus on shorts, because they were giving me the views, and it was, for me, it was just like a way to reach more people and grow my channel, because that's what I wanted it at that time. Number 3, these are the things that I did, tips and tricks. So write notes down if you need to, or you can just play the video back whenever you want to. But as somebody who posts shorts for, I'm not gonna say 5 to 10 times a day, you should listen to this part. Number one, the trending sounds. I literally just spoke about them, but I'm going to say it again because I want you to understand how important it is to use trending sounds or audios. Number two, this one is a hi. This is my baby. Number two, this one is a good one. Remix other people's video. I have seen a lot of people doing this before I started doing it. They were doing it and they were getting views and subscribers because, like I said, you have something that nobody else's have. Your DNA, it was just made once, okay? So you need to understand that whatever you put in other people's video is your authenticity, okay? So remix other people's video. Even if you do a green screen and you're in front of the green screen and you start dancing or you start laughing, whatever you're doing, if you get subscribers from that, it's because you have a special energy that only you have. When I understood that, listen, I took over the shorts. Number three, consistency. Just like I said, right now, I post 5 to 10 times a day. I know there's a lot of shorts, but I do it. That I want this. And because I want this, I'm hungry. I'm going to eat it all. And all the time that I have and when I can, because I'm a mom, remember, but when I can, I'm creating content or learning or looking for sound or videos that are trending that I can make. So consistency is the key. Okay? Consistency. You can just post today and then repost in 3 days because then the YouTube algorithm is gonna think that you're dead. No, you know the competition is big in YouTube shorts. I don't even know how many shorts I make every day. So if you made a short and you get 1,000 views, you're lucky because if you are a new channel, of course. So when I started getting views, I felt so blessed because I don't think it's luck. I think it's blessed. So I felt like, thank you, God. And after that, I promised God that if I made it, I was going to help other people, sharing my experience of what I have learned. So that's why I'm here, turning on the camera, talking to you guys. It was so hard for me to make this video because I didn't know how to put the ideas together. But I think I'm doing good. That's the only ways I'm going to share this because I don't know. I did this twice trying to figure the best way. Number 4, focus on the first 3 seconds of your short.
Make the face.
We make this sound. Make a short. You have 3 seconds before they're swept away. If you didn't get them in 3 seconds, you're not going to get them. Make sure the 3 seconds of your video start and grab people's attention. Okay? So, a little trick that you could do, if you're making iced coffee, right? And you'll be like, this is how I make iced coffee. Watch what happened at the end. And you already grab them with the text because text in shorts are very important. You have to make sure you put text on top of your video every single time because YouTube has some tools for you to use them. So if they're there, use them. So you see where it says text, add a damn text in your short. Don't leave it empty. People don't know you. They need to see what are you going to be talking about. So put that text on top. So this is how I made iced coffee. Watch till the end. You already grab their attention by them reading that. Now you have to grab their attention by showing them something that could be satisfying, calling their attention, showing something that you do that nobody else do. I don't know, because with me, I do a lot of different shorts, but you'll figure it out. Remember to add text on your shorts, though. That's what I'm going to tell you. 3 seconds, the first 3 seconds of your short matters the most. Adding text next. Number 5 here, I have for you, check your analytics. Okay, so when you post a video, you're going to post, if I was you, what happened, mommy? Okay, I'm back. Sorry, guys. I need to take a break because of the baby. Number 5 in the tips and tricks. Check your analytics. So if I was you, I'd post 5 to 10 videos a day, and then let it perform. And then the next day or in 2 days, you check which video gave you more views, where people engage the most. Remember, your YouTube studio is your home, is your workplace. That's where you go when you want to analyze your shorts and when you or your video and you want to see the result of what you have done. So if one video gave you 1,000 views, keep going in that path. Rewatch the video as many times as you need to see what you did in that video that will catch your attention, because what will catch your attention might catch other people's attention. Just keep analyzing the video to see what you did good on it, okay? Or what was the best part of the video, and watch the first 3 seconds of that video. How did you start it? Look at the text. Did you add any text? What is on that video that is working or that worked? If that's the one that gave you 1,000 subscribers, 1,000 views. Number 6 in tips and tricks, check the time. When you post a video, again, you go back to the analytics, see what was the time that video took off. You can see it in the computer. It tells you everything. Your YouTube studio is your workplace. Stay there, learn, invest time in YouTube studio, analyzing your own video, okay? Instead of just scrolling down on TikTok or YouTube Shorts to have fun, invest time in your own content, okay? And then we go to number 4. Number 4. I'm already done with the tips and tricks. I'm back at number 4. The growth by doing this. I got to 145,000 subscribers so far, because I hope I get to 150 by the end of this week. And I know I'm gonna do it because I'm gonna go crazy. And what I have learned. The key is to keep learning and look at your analytics. Again, look at what's working for your audience and keep doing it and doing it better. Improving is a plus. Consistency is a plus. So what you can do to start creating shorts, I will say start making shorts, 5 to 10 shorts a day. Look at your analytics. Use remix other people's videos, use trending sounds, and again, go in your YouTube studio and look at your videos performance. And that's how you're going. Oh, and trust the process. You have to trust the process, because I have 145,000 subscribers and I don't give up. I don't post 1 time a day. Who am I to post 1 time a day? I post 10 times a day. So if you have 1,000 subscribers and you're trying to grow in shorts, how you think that posting 1 and 2 and 3 times a day will work for you? Go crazy, go all the way in. If this is really what you want, because one thing about me is I want this. I'm so hungry for all this that's how I made it up here. And I'm gonna keep going. This is just the beginning. Go all the way in, okay? All the way in. And finally, I have 2 bonus for you guys. One is what, from my opinion, because this is not what it is. I don't know. This is just what worked for me. From my opinion, the best posting time is from 12 p.m. to 7 p.m. Anytime between those times, 12 p.m. to 7 p.m. Go crazy, post 10 shorts, okay? And another bonus for you guys is the hashtags. Some people say the hashtags don't work. Some people say that they do work. What do I think? I think they do work at the beginning. If you are a small YouTube creator, you're trying to grow your account from shorts, remember that you have a big competition. And if you're not good at making shorts yet, you need to add hashtag, because they do work. They do work and they work good. And now the third one is, because I wondered this myself, which hashtag should I use? Use YouTube Shorts, use shorts. Those are the hashtags that works the best for me. And I have seen this. I'm not telling you guys just to say it. It's what works for me. It might work for you. You gotta figure it out. I know some people say, oh, you can put hashtag. If you're cooking, put cooking hashtag. That don't work for me. If I make a night routine short, which I have recently, and I add hashtag night routine, that will stop me from getting viewed. That will stop my video from going out there and being shown a short feed. I don't know why, I don't know how, but for me, the best hashtags is just YouTube shorts and shorts. And you can also try YouTube feed, or sorry, not YouTube feed, shorts feed. I'm gonna give you those three: YouTube shorts, shorts, and short feeds. Try those three and see how it goes. Another thing, do not add hashtag in all your videos. As a beginner, you need to put all your videos in test. What you mean? If you make 10 videos, add hashtag here, add these two hashtag combined in this one, and then this one leave it without hashtag. Try different things to see what connect. Okay, the group of hashtag that give you the most views, you copy them, you paste them in your notes for your next video. Like that, in your next video, you will paste them, copy them from the notes and paste them in your next video. You will see if it was just the sound, or it was the video that gave you the views, or if the hashtag helped. And that will be all for today, guys. I hope that I help you understand a little bit of my crazy notes that I have here. I am not an expert. These are just things that have worked for me, and they're still working because, like I said, I post 5 to 10 times a day, and it's not easy. I'm always learning, always finding strategies, but this is what worked for me. And I'm very happy to share with you guys. Let me know if you have any other strategies that you guys uses, or any question that I can answer. I'll be answering it. But I hope you guys find this helpful, these tips, because there were 5 6, I don't even remember, but I share what I could. And if I come with any more ideas or any test, because I still testing things out, if I come out with more ideas, I will be sharing it with you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a blessed day. Bye.